Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered one of the best window shields for vehicles, the Enovoe car window shades for baby. If you're a parent or someone who spends a lot of time driving with little ones, you know how important it is to keep your child protected from harsh sunlight and UV rays while maintaining comfort inside the car. These window shades promise to do just that with efficiency and ease. The Enovoe car window shades come as a convenient 2-pack, each measuring 21 by 14 inches, designed especially for SUVs and large sedans. What sets these shades apart is their ability to block up to 97% of harmful UV rays, significantly reducing glare and heat inside your vehicle. This helps keep your child comfortable and also protects the car's interior from sun damage. Installation is effortless thanks to the static cling technology. Unlike traditional shades that require adhesive or suction cups, these shades simply cling to your windows without any sticky residue. This means they are easy to put on and take off, reusable, and won't damage your car windows. The static cling layer ensures a strong and secure hold, so you don't have to worry about them falling off while driving. These shades feature a dual-layer mesh design. The breathable mesh allows your child to still see outside clearly, maintaining visibility and comfort. At the same time, the mesh effectively filters sunlight, reducing glare and heat buildup inside the car. This balance between visibility and protection makes these shades ideal for children who may feel claustrophobic or bored when their view is completely blocked. Durability is another strong point of the Enovoe car window shades. Made from high-quality mesh fabric paired with a sturdy wire frame, these shades are lightweight yet built to last. They withstand regular use and are designed to complement your vehicle's interior without being bulky or awkward. For convenience, the package includes a compact black storage pouch, allowing you to neatly store the shades when not in use or during off-seasons. This makes it easy to keep them organized and ready for any trip, big or small. In summary, the Enovoe car window shades for baby offer excellent UV protection, simple installation, breathable visibility, and durable construction. They are a smart choice for anyone looking to shield their children from the sun while keeping the vehicle cool and comfortable. Whether you have an SUV or a large sedan, these shades fit well and help create a safer, more pleasant ride. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in keeping your little ones safe and cool during car rides, the Enovoe car window shades might just be the perfect accessory for your vehicle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.